everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. I love things that I can customize and personalize and put my touch on. That includes wigs and jewelry. So today we're going to talk about this wig that I have on and how I customize this piece specifically to my preferences without using product or heat. And we have a brand new customized ring by Julia that I want to show you coming up. So this little customized ring was sent to me by Julia. Remember, I am a rep with Julia. If you make any purchases with Julia, be sure to use my code TERRAZ15 for 15% off of your order, and I do earn a very small commission. It's just fun to be affiliated with Julia. I have worked with them for years. They have an amazing customer service area, some really cute personal artisan type jewelry options. Just love their rings especially. And so today I am super excited to present this Be My Love customizable ring. Now this is full on sterling silver, the 925 sterling that Julia uses. Long wearing. I can certainly attest to the very rugged nature of this sterling. Some of these wedding sets are several years old and I've never polished them. I've never really washed them, and I wear them every day. So they do sort of take a beating and they look brilliant still every single time. So let's take a look. Now this Be My Love ring is sort of marketed to include your name as well as your significant other's name or friend or daughter or whatever. But there's a place for two names on this ring. Now, what I realized was when I had them customize it by just putting TAZ, T-A-Z, there really weren't enough letters in that name to give it a really good effect. So I'm going to put up some pictures here of the ones that they have on the product page. But it is a double band and it's brought together by the actual letters that you choose. So you could choose up to two names for one band. This is the rose gold toned sterling, solid sterling silver. I'm really hoping that you can pick out the TAZ. There's TAZ, and on the back side there's TAZ. So it's a double band brought together, solidified by those letters. Okay, I've been kind of wearing it on my index finger here. I love and adore it. Of course, I had them make a necklace with TAZ on it, which I adore as well. So again, just beautiful. This retails right around $75, but if you use my code, you can bring it down again by another 15%. Then add a little bit of extra time for the customization. Anytime you customize a piece, it may take an extra week or so. So be sure to get your orders in as soon as possible for the holidays. They have an amazing Black Friday sale coming up. All of the links will be below this video. But again, these make perfect gifts. There's pages and pages of options. There's just something for everyone, although it's small enough that it feels very, very personal. So let me try it on the index finger here. I now have a lot of rose gold pieces thanks to Julia. And I don't love, this is not a cocktail ring. This is just something of personal significance. I love my big clunky rings too, but this is really cute and very, very personal. So let's talk about this hair real quick. This is the Tressallure Trend let's see what it is. It's 613-1001 S18. That is the color. It's a newer color by Tressallure. But the reason why I wanted to show this to you again and sort of put it under the umbrella theme of customizing is because this wig looks super stiff on the models in the photos and everybody who's reviewed it. It looks stiff. It has baby doll looking hair, you know, like Raggedy Ann and Raggedy Andy. I've talked about that in my full review on this style, but I really needed to get in there and make it mine. I need to personalize it. And most of the time, all it takes is just my fingers to style and manipulate a piece into my preference and liking. And that's all I used here. I didn't use any product, didn't use any heat. This is a heat-friendly style, so you can take heat to it. I just did it. Most of the time, a wig responds really, really well to just waking it up. Shake it out, use your fingers to rake through it, wake up the fibers so they can move more independently. This is one wig that appears stiff because the fibers are stuck to one another in that curl pattern. You have to wake it up. You have to get it separated. Bring the air into it and make it yours. So the big problem though, it was in the front. These bangs came down and they were kind of stiff there. I worked them into something that's really wispy. Now this has a lace front, which makes a nice natural looking hairline. And so why wouldn't we want to show that off? But I love using the heat from my hand, just warm them up and then direction the root in the direction in which you want the hair to go. So you got to work at the root level to wake things up and to make them yours. So again, I just created a little bit of contour at the front and shook out the fibers really well. It made it fluffy. It gave it a little bit of interest. This is the kind of style I love. And this is something that you wouldn't be able to look at the product photo and say, you know, I want that wig, because you might not see the potential in it, right? You need to see it brought to life in order to give you inspiration to work with it. I saw it right away. I just knew I had to have it based on the curl pattern and the length. It's cute little choppy bob. It's not even to the collar. It's gonna look so cute with some of these turtlenecks. And so just creating a lot of airiness to it and then working the bangs into a little bit of a contour. This may not be your flavor and style, but it is mine. And so I would just urge you to work with it to make it into something that you want. I can wear the bangs straight down and swept off to either side, or in an up, a contour pattern similar to what I have it on here. Lots and lots of compliments from this wig style. I took it from baby doll hair to something that's trendy and fashion forward. Some really nice movement. So be sure to visit julia.com. Take a look at all of their Black Friday and holiday sales. Rings, especially customizable pieces, make the most beautiful gifts. All my information and how to order is below the video in the links, including the hair from Wig Studio One. You'll find it all below the video. Enjoy your holidays, everybody. We'll see you soon right here on TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.